Okay, so this is my Nomadik Twist style that I did, and if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. Okay, so I just started off on freshly braided hair. I did my braid pattern in a zigzag motion. I actually had my friend do it for me, and the zigzag motion basically was done so whenever I did the twist, they look like singles. So I started off with aloe vera juice to spray on my hair to rehydrate my hair, and I don't want any itching under my crochets. And then I put some Blue Magic grease on my scalp everywhere. Just made sure that everything was just nice and moisturized. Also used some olive oil. It's actually like my own oil. I have olive oil and castor oil. You know, that's just something that I use all the time on my hair. You guys should have seen some pictures of me, like, you know, just our videos, maybe Snapchat or something like that, that I posted in the beginning of this video, to show you guys how it looked. Okay guys, so this is the 2-time Nomadik Twist hair. This is actually number 1. They ran out of 1B, so I went ahead and got the number 2, because sometimes in my experience number 2 looks like 1B, so, and I was correct. So I'm going to start with the number 1 in the back, so the number 2 can be mostly in the front and look like, so it can look like 1B hair, if that makes sense. So this is the hair, this is the length, this is the texture at the bottom. I just kind of started off in the back, and then I would go on to the next twist. I would definitely leave, like, you know, a little bit of room, like maybe like a half of an inch of room between the twist, but I kind of just was going everywhere here, just so I can just start filling up spaces. And I almost feel like, honestly, I almost feel like you can do, I mean, I know, it's not that I almost feel like, I know you can do this style with just regular braid back, braid back cornrows. So this is after 1 pack of hair. This is after 2. And you'll just see me kind of just like feeling for spaces and where I should put my next crochet. It's really easy, guys. Just, you know, loop it in, loop the crochet needle in, put the crochet, put the twist loop on the crochet hook, and then pull it out, and then pull the twist out. It's very easy. If I can do it, anybody can do it. This is after 3 packages. Mind you guys, I bought 6 of them. So actually I'm like, this is 2.5 right now. So I'm just filling in the spaces in the back, what I didn't get. I wore these twists for about a month and they looked phenomenal. It's just that my birthday's coming up and I recently took them out, so that's why I wore it for a month. But I mean, I almost like wanted to like just conserve these twists. As far as it lasting, the last game is strong for sure. The pattern that I did in the front, you know, I kind of spaced it out a little bit. It does kind of look like some of the twists are kind of bunched up together, but I later on kind of separated them, and you'll see that soon. Yeah, you see the space there. That's kind of what I started to do. But regardless, it was looking good. Then I started to just do the front. Honestly, guys, just go, you know, just go with your with your, you know, your gut, whatever you feel like, okay, this looks better. Okay, let me take this twist out, actually put it there. You know, you're going to get a feel of, you know, how to continue, you're going to get a feel of how to continue to finish this style. It's easy. It's so, I mean, you can't mess up with it. So this is like on my 4th pack of hair. I'm on my 5th pack right now. I'm just filling up the spaces. See how much space I have in between each twist. Yeah, right there. Pretty much on my last pack here. On my 6th, so it literally took me like 6 packages, and right now I'm just putting everything down to see if there's any other areas that I probably missed or anything like that. You always want to check that. I even have my husband come in to like look at the back of my head and see if there's any, and he pointed out at least 3 different places for me, so I was very appreciative of that. But this is how it looks right now. I like it. So cute. Okay, so then I just started filling in where I felt as if I needed some more twist. And that is it, guys. That's the finished look. I was so tired, but it took me like 2, maybe 3 hours, and it was easy. I want to thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Any questions, I will answer. And you guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.